Concept check 4. When to deposit FICA FICA FIT. So when it says when to deposit, deposit means pay. So we're trying to figure out when should we pay our FICA FICA FIT. Of course, we can always pay early because the government would love to get our money early. But a lot of times the company does not have the proper cash flow, so you want to pay as late as possible. So complete the following table. So in this data table, we've got different scenarios, A through G, and we will enter the answers over here, A through G. These are all different scenarios. So in this first scenario, the employer paid $28,000 in the 4-quarter look-back period. Because they have less than $50,000 in the look-back period that they paid of FICA FICA FIT, they are a monthly depositor. So since we are a monthly depositor in scenario A and payroll was paid in November, when must we pay FICA FICA FIT? Well, remember, monthly depositors have to pay on the 15th of the month. So would we pay November 15th? Well, no. You have to get to pay the following month. So they get to pay December 15th. It wouldn't make sense to pay on November, because what if the pay period was paid on November 28th? Would you pay on 15 days prior to that or a few days prior to that? No. So scenario B. These employers, or this employer plus all these others, had $66,000 of FICA FICA FIT that they paid in the 4-quarter look-back period. So that just means that they are a semi-weekly depositor of FICA FICA FIT. So here's our summary rules. Here's a summary of the rules for when semi-weekly depositors must pay. If the payday is Saturday, Sunday, Monday, or Tuesday, they pay the following Friday. If the payday is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, they pay FICA FICA FIT on the following Wednesday. All right. So I've got our little calendar over here in Excel. I usually do this on the board in class. This problem is a lot easier if you do this visually. So what's the first day of the week? And this is important to realize. First day of the week is Sunday. If you don't believe that, look at your calendar. Sunday is the first day of the week. All right. So this pay period was paid, or this payroll was paid on Wednesday. So here, in a big fat X, is our payday. So when must we pay our FICA FICA FIT according to these rules? It says if it's payday is Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, so Wednesday, so we're using these rules, we pay the following Wednesday. So Wednesday of week 2. It wouldn't be Wednesday of the first week because that would be the day the payday ends. You don't have to pay it that soon. All right, so let me get rid of my X. Let's find out in scenario C. Looks like the payday is Thursday, so I'll put a big fat X there so we can see it visually. So according to these rules, when must we pay? Again, Wednesday of week 2. So far, this is pretty easy. All right. Get rid of my X because the payday is changing. This time, in scenario D, the payroll was paid on a Friday. So according to these rules over here, if it's Friday, again, it's the next Wednesday. So Wednesday of week 2. Now, let me get rid of my X because the day changes. Now, if the payday was a Saturday, the rule changes. It says if it's Saturday, it's the following Friday. So it's the Friday of week 2. Also called Friday of the next week. And then we just got to get rid of the X because our pay date changes. In scenario F, it's Sunday. So notice Sunday is the first day of the week. So when must we pay? According to the rules over here, it's the following Friday. So that's Friday of the same week. And then finally, if our pay period ends on a Monday, if our payday, I should say if our payroll was paid on a Monday, according to the rules, we pay the following Friday, which is Friday of the same week. And that's it. So as long as you just follow these rules, it's pretty simple to figure out when to pay FICA FICA FIT But also remember it's okay to pay early.